Noon, today is August 2, 2026. It is Sunday. Now, I am here with Dominic. What sign? Dominic. Sign name Dominic. For sharing about experience repair cell phone. Deaf. Oral. Okay. Tell name. So here, now for experience, okay, na fail ang CT pag visit na mo on the way hulog, so kanat na contact si Kim Brian sa Grab. Kanat na may ride. So with me niya, very hot. So tell na mo i-use ang other nga cellphone pero no man Grab nga for order sa car. So mo to tell niya to us where they have repair. Mo to contact Dominic. So tell what happened to my cellphone. What na evaluation first pag meet with Kim Brian, when mo nag-meet?
I'm came here home.
So nigo siya sa
Nandun.
I'm in Antok.
andok sa chicken.
Near HM Chapel.
On SM. So dito mo nag-meet.
I'm in
What time?
Chapel PM.
Sa night. So contact. Contact mo si Dominic for give
For up.
laptop. So tell so when gani experience start repairing cellphone, laptop, what sign? Tablet, not only technology. So sign there. So
Computer.
computer, personal computer. So tell when gani start nag-repair experience
2023.
So 3 years now, 2026 naman now. So 3 years experience.
Napan.
How about iPhone? Diri na naglaw.
I know how to
Repair
repair PC first.
first.
When I was 14 years old.
So always repair.
I know from Hutom teacher.
So
Hutom line notes.
line notes. So dito na learn
For
first.
PC 18 after. Napan and Hutom.
Laptop then tablet later na itong naon sa pag-COVID nga time use man more. Okay. So where ganito ang katong working table sa home, where man ang home?
May tanapan.
Talamban. So Talamban yun mag-repair pag give ni Kim Brian
Next.
meet in SM
SM.
go ka
Only
dito sa
pick up.
home then
Only pick up.
pick up. So
Ito.
then check
Check.
what
Check up.
evaluate.
Only check up.
Check up. The same sa doktor. I-check up. The same na doktor man kaya pun kay technician man. Technician technician or sa repair.
Only technician.
Technician. So sa repair sa technology then sa home na so na dito exam or maybe katong na plus na minus electric.
Battery. Battery.
Electricity, battery. So what na check first my phone kani
So I found in cheating.
laser crystal
Spring.
so LCD what ang meaning so light ba or laser crystal display so guba
And check on battery sumanin. Kasi pregnant.
Nimurot na. Nawapnos na battery. battery. So, pag-check, first diri, sa front, ang LCD.
Ah,
Sa back,
battery.
ang battery. So, how man na buy sa LCD? So, naa-own dito or mag-order pa. If old naman nga phone 2021 pagod. So, 5 years pa, pass. So, now, 2026 naman naguba. So, pagka-fail.
Nga, pentong.
So, kani nga LCD, where man ka mag-order? Or na-reserve daan dito. The same ba? Ang all nga LCD sa phone o sa iPhone, different. In one.
Different. Uy, Android and iPhone.
So the same.
Ito nga, Android.
Android.
And iPhone, teaching, tuwang.
So the same ra. So where man order ana?
Ngayon, ito, some, meron, emo.
Sa Imol na. So dito ra ka nag-order. But yesterday, the other day, water,
Kaya,
plug,
kanang napatch.
need, ship.
Nagkanumpay ng tumumpay.
So cannot motor, cannot fly. Need water.
Yeah.
Difficult man. So moto na extend og 1D. So kay check pa man finish na unta kay na order dito but difficult kay naman typhoon or raining. So nag-water plan o cannot pass. So easy ra ta to. So time man power. So need sa safety. Safety kay think ka important ma-repair but weather not good. So next sa battery, second not ang original. Not original no.
Hindi mo na i-repeat mo.
Replacement. So replacement. So bawal what need inform me, remind me. So bawal over
Per charge.
charge. So always see 100%.
100%. Uy,
check.
alpak.
Not tulog-tulog diha. Kinahanglan. Kinahanglan see. I think mo na happen many times others. Or
Kitim,
others.
kitim.
Sa kay need man i-check over kay mo others at 10 solid. So meaning ang battery kay maybe old na 5 years na. So no naman kanang original, so second replacement na lang. So happy ra gyapon ko kay may function naman now. Kay habro ba dito important para mo pay. O pay sa bank o sa GCash o sa kanila. May travel. Wa naman ni Grab. Download niya pass ato other kanat madayon kay slow man dito sa Mandawi sa City Central School. Pag-visit na mo Sir Max. Visit me dito kay interview ni about him.
Check.
About sa iyang education or experience as the teacher. So if willing if have other maybe teachers ako inform if they need mag-repair ako contact number but only text not call busy video call okay video
Pwede,
call
okay.
not only text only kay more man sa hearing. So mo na number niya 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 no right. So or contact so later if inform na rin to YouTube contact person, so ako inform sa iya para have more customers nga not only deaf but hearing also. Kaya ako teacher man deaf, so inform sa others. Sabi na many teachers have more sa cellphone or iPhone where it may repair. So thank you for sharing your experience. Okay.